Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2010. Question number 1A is, for a gas the equation of state is expressed as below over a certain range of temperature and pressure. V is equal to RT by P minus A by T cube, where A is a constant. Prove that the change in enthalpy is given by 4A by T cube bracket P1 minus P2 temperature constant for isothermal process. Also find out the expression for change of entropy. So we have this relationship dH is equal to TdS minus plus VdP, and this relationship from second TdS equation, that is TdS is equal to CpdT minus T curl V by curl T P constant dP. So we have these two relationships. This is from first law and second law combined, and this is the TdS second relationship. So now dH, if we put this TdS here, so dH will be here Cp dt V minus T curl V by curl T pressure constant bracket D, because here dP is there, so we are taking this as common. Now for constant temperature, dt is 0, so that part is 0. So dH1 is V minus T curl V by curl T P constant within large bracket dP. When temperature is constant, we have taken T here and eliminated this term. Okay, and here T also. So now the given equation is V is equal to RT by P minus A by T cube. So now we need this curl V by curl T at constant pressure. So curl V by curl T at constant pressure is R by P, differentiating it, and this will be a 3A by T4 plus. Okay, so now if we multiply it by T, then it will be RT by T, and this is 3A by T cube. Or we can say V minus T bracket curl V by curl T P constant is equal to V value is we have started from here, then differentiate, so V value is this, and differentiation value is, so T V T P curl V by curl T P constant value is this. So taking this RT by P minus A by T cube, and this in negative, so this will be minus RT by P minus 3A T cube. So from this RT by P will cancel out, so we will have minus 4A by T cube minus A T cube minus 3A T cube. Okay, so now this expression is put here. So we have dH at constant temperature is equal to minus 4A by T cube dP temperature constant. Okay, so now for constant temperature process, minus 4A by T3 is constant, because T is constant, 4A is also constant. So integrating within limit, so we can take this term out, and integrating within limit is, so here it will be H2 minus H1 T constant, and here it will be minus 4A by T cube P2 minus P1, or we can write it as H2 minus H1 T constant 4A by T cube P1 minus P2. So that we need to prove, and now we have to find out the expression for entropy also. So from a second TdS equation, we have TdS is equal to Cp dt minus T curl V by curl T P constant dP. So at constant temperature, so this term will be 0. So this term will be TdS minus T curl V by curl T P constant dP. Or at constant temperature, we can take T here, so it will be dST, and this T will cancel out, so it will be minus curl V by curl T P dP T. And but curl V by curl T at constant pressure we have found here also, that is R by P 3A by T cube. So now we can put it here to find out the expression for entropy. So change in entropy for ds is equal to minus r by p plus minus is this plus 3a by p4 bracket dt. So now for this is for constant pressure because temperature is constant here. So this term will also be constant quantity for constant temperature. So now we can integrate it within limits of for entropy are s2 and s1. So it will be s2 minus s1 here, and here it will be if we integrated minus r ln p, and this will be this is constant, so p will be there. So we put the limits, we get this expression for entropy. So that is the answer. That is r ln p2 by p1 plus 3h by p4 p2 minus p. So this is the first proof, and this is the second answer. Look at using dh equal to TdS plus VdP, then using TdS second equation, putting here, then putting temperature constant, and then finding out then V is given, then finding out curl V by curl T, and then V minus P curl V by curl P at P nothing, then putting here, then integrating, we get the first Z, and now starting from here we get the second, putting the value here and then integrating, we get the second.